Front door replacement Baytown starts with selecting the right style, finish, and performance features for your home in Baytown TX. Homeowners looking for front door replacement Baytown, residential entry doors Baytown, and home entry door upgrades Baytown often choose solutions that improve curb appeal, insulation, and security. From front door installation in East Baytown TX to front entry door replacement near Baker Road Baytown, local demand continues to grow for doors that handle heat, humidity, and storm exposure. Whether you want modern front doors Baytown or traditional entry doors Baytown, the right exterior door installation Baytown service can transform the appearance and function of your entryway. Custom entry doors Baytown give homeowners more flexibility when matching architecture, neighborhood style, and personal design preferences. If you need custom entry doors near Garth Road Baytown, custom glass entry doors in Allenbrook Baytown TX, or double entry doors near San Jacinto Mall Baytown, tailored options can include glass inserts, side lights, decorative hardware, stain colors, and specialty dimensions. Many buyers compare wood front doors Baytown, fiberglass entry doors Baytown, and steel entry doors Baytown when planning front door remodeling Baytown. Customization is especially valuable for homes near Goose Creek, Baytown Highlands, and Lakewood Baytown TX where entry doors may need to balance style with weather durability. Steel entry doors Baytown remain a top choice for homeowners who want dependable performance, long-term value, and stronger protection. Security entry doors Baytown, steel front doors near I-10 Baytown TX, and storm-resistant doors Baytown are frequently requested in areas where durability matters most. Steel doors are ideal for residential entry doors Baytown because they resist warping, deliver excellent security, and pair well with modern locks and reinforced frames. For homes in Country Club Oaks Baytown TX, West Baytown TX, and Brownwood Baytown TX, steel options are commonly selected for exterior door replacement in Baytown Highlands TX and full home entryway upgrades. Fiberglass entry doors Baytown offer a low-maintenance option with strong insulation and a versatile appearance that can mimic real wood. Homeowners searching for fiberglass entry doors in Lakewood Baytown TX, energy-efficient entry doors Baytown, and energy-efficient front doors in West Baytown TX often prefer fiberglass because it handles moisture well and reduces upkeep. These doors are a practical fit for Baytown TX weather and are often used for new entry door sales Baytown and exterior door installation Baytown. Wood front doors Baytown create a warm, high-end look that enhances classic homes and upscale entryways throughout Baytown TX. Buyers looking for wood entry door company near Cedar Bayou Baytown, traditional entry doors Baytown, and custom entry doors Baytown often appreciate the natural texture and refined curb appeal of wood. From pre-hung front doors in Springfield Estates Baytown to front door upgrades in Brownwood Baytown TX, wood remains popular for homeowners wanting a timeless statement piece. With proper sealing and entry door weatherproofing Baytown, wood doors can remain beautiful and functional while supporting front door remodeling Baytown and premium entryway door services Baytown. Front door contractors Baytown help homeowners navigate measurements, materials, code requirements, and professional installation for a smoother project from start to finish. If you are comparing entry door showroom near Highway 146, Baytown TX, residential door installers in Pelly Baytown TX, or exterior door contractors near Massey Tompkins Road Baytown, choosing experienced local specialists matters. Reliable teams can handle entry door installation Baytown TX, pre-hung entry doors Baytown, door frame replacement Baytown, and full front door remodeling Baytown. Modern front doors Baytown are increasingly popular for homeowners seeking sleek lines, minimalist hardware, bold colors, and clean architectural appeal. Searches for modern front doors Baytown, home entry door upgrades Baytown, and new entry doors near Bayway Drive Baytown often come from buyers wanting to refresh outdated facades. Contemporary fiberglass entry doors Baytown and steel entry doors Baytown are especially common in West Baytown TX, Lakewood Baytown TX, and around San Jacinto Mall Baytown. Paired with entry door glass inserts Baytown and custom entry doors Baytown, Modern designs can dramatically improve curb appeal while delivering better insulation, weather resistance, and security performance.